God, I'm so tired. I literally just woke up. It's 7:44. I'm supposed to have been left for work. Like be literally walking out the door right now. Oh, that was my alarm. But I woke up late this morning. But I wanted to get a warning analysis out. Even though I don't need to, but I wanted to. Okay, so you can see that straight up this morning, my sell bias has been broken. That was part of my rules that I did for my weekly analysis. I posted a weekly analysis yesterday, so this is kind of the leftover of my weekly analysis. So what I was looking at, this actually makes me happy looking at the charts because the higher time frame is bullish and has been bullish, right? And then we had this massive move down, which made an indication, but it's such a crazy move. Like, how would you call it, hyperbolic or something? I can't remember. I have to revise my market structure video. I watched a market structure video by Fractal Flow. It was really good. But it's like a hyperbolic move, it looks like, and then it's done a correction, but this correction has gone past the high, so it's made a new high. Even though it's still like, if you look at the candle closes, it looks like it's going to be a high low, but I don't know. I don't really work with liquidity sweeps in my analysis. Like, I don't do like obviously this, you can see it looks so clearly like a liquidity sweep, but I just don't use that in my analysis. And what you can see here is there's a volume spike here of buyers, volume spike here of buyers, and there's like, it just kind of outweighs the sellers, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I feel like price is looking a bit what's it called, choppy. So I feel like like last night I was ready to take a ICC sell setup. I was expecting price to, it might come in here, but then I was expecting it to really be choppy to get back down to the indication level. But right now, that's just ruined my bias. Like, I know at the end of the day this is a liquidity sweep, and I could continue to take it as a liquidity sweep and still have a shorts bias. But if you're looking at market structure, it's made a high, it's made a lower high, and then it's made a higher high. So I don't really feel comfortable taking it, because I know that in the past when I've taken these through back testing and through, the data that I've collected, I know that if I take this trade as a short, it's most likely going to not work. It's a more a low probability setup because the market structure isn't perfect. So why would I take the setup? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's Monday, there's plenty of opportunities in the markets. Now, if I were to take a trade today, I would want price to make a brand new indication. This is obviously not an indication, maybe on a low time frame, but this is not an indication according to my strategy and the way I like to trade. But I want to see that indication, correction, and then a continuation back to that level. That's what I'm looking at today. And that might not happen today, that might happen tomorrow, that might happen the next day. But either way, that's what I want to see. I'm not even going to enter onto the like lower time frames, lower than an hour. I'll show you guys a quick little glimpse of my weekly analysis. Oh, actually, let me set my alerts. Hold on. I'm going to set one at the high. I'm going to set one back here, so we know that when price enters over here, we can expect it to go lower. We've got this one here. Let's set an alert at the very, very, very low. Because I have work, I set so many alerts so that I'm alerted throughout the day when price is moving. So we'll save that, even though auto saves. Go to the weekly analysis. Oh my god, I've got to leave. And you can see that we've got this dynamic support level here, and price is like perfectly bounced off of that. So overall, it's looking bullish. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at today. That's what price is showing me. I really gotta go to work, but I hope you enjoyed this morning analysis video. I'll probably come back and do a little check-in when I get back from work because this video is super short. Is there any news today? What's this? No, this week. Apply settings. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying when my face goes off the screen. I feel like it's not recording. I wanted to do today. Just today. Let's have a look. No news. The government shutdown is still... Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. Pre-market analysis. Date is the 13th of the 10th. Wrong gold. This was irrelevant. High time frame bias was bullish. Key levels, the new high. Waiting for indication. And the price bearish below level. That's what I would say is most important. So that's this one here, and then this one just here. So I should really, no, it's still bearish below. I was going to say I should change it to bullish above, but it's bearish below. News events is none. Market conditions, they look pretty choppy because we just made a new low and then went straight to make a new high. So it looks pretty choppy to me. Could be changing later in the day. My bias for today is long because we made a new high. I'm fully open to the opportunity that I could be wrong by saying longs, even though all the candle closes are showing lower highs. The market structure overall, like if you want to do candle closes, getting lower, do you know what I mean? But it's made a new high, so I don't think so. I don't trade liquidity sweeps, so no. And validation, setups I'm waiting for new indication to all-time highs. So I want to see a new all-time high be put in place as an indication. And then invalidation, if price continues to make new lows. Max risk is going to be 1%, like always. Trade management, 1 trade a day. As always, how am I feeling? I'm feeling tired. I slept in this morning. I didn't have a good sleep last night. I'm feeling pretty tired. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling not really overwhelmed. I feel like I need to do more, which could cause me take more trades. There we go. Rules for myself: 1 trade a day. A plus setups only. There we go. So that's pretty much it for today. I honestly don't think there's anything else to really say. Sorry, this was a tired one. I'm really tired. But yeah, this probably won't be posted until later today because I literally have to run to work. But I hope you guys have a great trading day. Good luck. And yeah, we'll see what more price shows us. But yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I will speak to you later today. Bye.